Welcome to A Perfect Place to Start. I have some fun DIYs planned for you today, so let's go on inside and get started. So we're going to start out with this project using one of the canvases from Dollar Tree. This has several different colors of honeycomb, so we're going to be covering the dark honeycomb and the lighter brown honeycomb with some buttons. So these buttons I just had on hand, but if you don't have any buttons and you totally want to make these DIYs, you can go to the Dollar Tree and pick up buttons. They sell two different kinds. They sell a bucket that has black buttons, and then they also sell a bucket that is multicolored and has several different colors in it. So I'm just going to take some different colors of brown, and we're going to go ahead and cover all of these pieces on the honeycomb. This was super fun. Once I laid them all out as pattern first, and then I went back and hot glued them later, just so I could decide like how I wanted it and the colors I wanted to make sure they matched. Once I get those all glued on, I'm going to take this ribbon I got at Sam's Club. I tied it into just a awareness bow with some twine. I'm going to add this cute little rose button that I had into the middle, and then that is it for this project. I think this gives it such a high-end look, and all we did was add a few embellishments to a project that was already there. So for this project, we're going to take some flip-flops that I got at the Dollar Tree, and I'm just going to go ahead and make sure that they are all set to go with the piece that goes in the middle of your feet. I thought this would be so cute for maybe like a bridal party or something like that. I wore flip-flops when I got married, and I thought that this would be super cute, maybe for all the bridal party to wear, like for the bachelorette party or something like that, or even to wear on your actual wedding day. But we're going to take these heart buttons. These came from Hobby Lobby. They are 3 different colors, pink, purple, and white, and they are also a varying, all different varying sizes. So I'm just going in a pattern of purple, white, and pink, and I started out by putting the hot glue on the back of the button, but I thought it was a lot easier to just add it to the piece that goes around your foot. That way you can definitely make sure that your hot glue is getting on the button and the shoe piece. Now you could use any buttons you wanted here. You could customize this for your colors or anything like that. I think these are super fun. But that's it for this project. Let me know what you think about these.
Time to figure out what this could be. I dreamt of a life in a small town that wasn't enough for you somehow. I just wish I had a little more time with you, baby.
Hey, guess what? If you're enjoying this video, make sure you hit the like button. Let's get back to it. So this project is super easy. I took a gift bag that I got at the Dollar Tree. They come in a group of 3. I took my purple midline highlighter and I drew a heart on the bag. Now you can draw any pattern you want here. I just thought this would be really cute, and I had purple buttons that matched my midline highlighter. So I'm just going to take these buttons and I'm going to glue them all around the shape that I drew. I drew the shape mainly so that I could have a pattern. If you are really good at freehanding that kind of stuff, you don't need the pattern, but you could do any shape here, any pattern. You can do bigger bags or smaller bags. I just think that this adds to like the specialness of your gift, especially if it's like a wedding gift or something like that. It would be so cute to get this customized bag. But that is it for this project. Let me know what you think about this one.
When tears stream down my face, my mama said, all the nights that end in heartbreak gonna pay off someday. And the pain that you're feeling gradually fades away. 'Cause growing up, falling in love, giving your all might not be.
So Dollar Tree has these really cute house frames, so I went ahead and picked up one of those. If you don't like the house frame, you can use any frame, even one that you already have on hand. I went ahead and picked out all the large buttons out of this grouping of buttons. These buttons came from Buttons Galore. I will leave a link to their website down in my description box. This is not a sponsored video. These were gifted to me, but these buttons have gone a long way. I really love, they have shiny ones and they have matte ones in all different sizes, and they are really adorable. So if you want to check out their website, I'll put it down in my description box. But once I get all the really big buttons out, we're going to go ahead and just start adding them to our frame. I just use several different colors. I used a blue, pink, purple, and I used all the different shades that were available in this grouping of buttons. That's as easy as it gets. I'm just going to frame the house frame, and then I'm going to go ahead and add a picture, and I will let you guys see what it looks like. I love this one, and it's definitely customizable to whatever picture you want to put in there. Let me know what you guys think about this one.
Just trust your head and your heart. That's what my mama said. I wish I could freeze this moment, just never let it end. Walking through the snow when you're taking my hand. All of those late nights on your couch when we just talked until midnight. I just wish I could freeze this moment.
So these turned out to be one of my favorite projects of the day, but I'm taking some paper clips that I got at the Dollar Tree. These are a multicolored one, and these are shaped buttons, also I believe from the Buttons Galore website. I'm going to use the side of the paper clip that is like only has the one loop because we're going to use these as bookmarks. So you can see where the button has the little loop where you would add like thread to sew it onto something. We're not going to cut that off for this project. We're going to go ahead and use that piece, and we're going to put our paper clip over it. I did use hot glue here just so that I can make sure that it adhered to the button, and I did go ahead and give it some pressure just to make sure that it was stuck on there really well. So I just used different colors of the paper clips to match the different colors of my buttons. These happen to be kind of a beachy theme, and we're just going to go ahead and use these different paper clips and do the same process over each one of the paper clips. These turn out to be the cutest bookmarks I have ever seen. Let me know what you guys think about these.
Weeks and months and years they passed, and I knew it wouldn't last. When tears streamed down my face, my mama said, all the nights that end in heartbreak gonna pay off someday. And the pain that you're feeling gradually fades away, 'cause you're growing up, falling in love.
Another option for these really cute shaped buttons is to make some magnets. So I'm going to take some cutters here and I'm going to cut off the plastic piece. I'm using these kind of large ones, and it does take off the plastic piece, but it leaves a little loop at the bottom. So then I go back with these other cutters, and these worked a lot better. So I went ahead and removed the backing of all 4 of these buttons, and I'm going to show you a couple different ways to use these buttons for like office supplies. So I'm going to take these magnets. I just had these on hand. I only had 2 left, so I only got to make 2 buttons, but this was, or 2 magnets, but this was super fun, and I think I will go back to Walmart and pick up these magnets. I'll also leave a link down in my description box if you want to pick them up on Amazon. But that is all there is to this. You're just going to glue them onto the back, and then here they are on my fridge. Let me know what you think about these.
Just trust your head and your heart. That's what my mama said. Weeks and months and years they passed, but then I found something I knew would last.
So another fun idea for your office area is to take some buttons and make your own customizable thumbtacks. As you can see, I picked up this container of thumbtacks at the Dollar Tree. I'm struggling to get it open. I don't know why it took me so long, but I finally was able to get that piece open in the middle there. I'm going to go ahead and remove 2 of the thumbtacks from this container, and I'm just going to show you kind of what it could look like. You could definitely customize these. You could have a whole grouping of your own like personalized thumbtacks. I think that would be super fun. But I did go ahead and cut off that middle piece with my cutters, and we're just going to use hot glue and glue our piece on to the back of our button. And that is it, you guys. Here it is on my cork board. Let me know what you guys think about these.
Just like my mama said. Gradually fades away.
If you like button DIYs and crafts, check out this video next. And as always, wherever you are in your journey is a perfect place to start. And I will see you in my next video. Thanks for being here. Bye!